Hello everybody and welcome back to the Techist Magician. Today we are reviewing the Samsung Note 20 Ultra, the flagship device from Samsung in 2020. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First of all, we'll talk about the design. The Note 20 Ultra boasts a sleek and premium look with a massive 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED display, which is a stunner. And then, let's talk about cameras. The Note 20 Ultra features a quad camera setup with a 108 megapixel primary sensor, 12 megapixel front camera, and it also supports 8K video recording. And one important thing about the Note 20 Ultra is that it comes in the S Pen signature feature, which is a feature of the Note series which has improved latency and new features like ear actions, and it's more useful than ever. And when talking about performance, the Note 20 Ultra also comes in Snapdragon 865 Plus processor, and it also comes in Exynos 990. And the Snapdragon version is a bit better for gamers, and the Exynos 990 version is more of the F-optimized type. So let's test them in a real world performance and let's see how it performs. We will be running some apps and games, Geekbench 6 and other multitasking apps, and let's see how it performs throughout. So first we will start by running some apps and let's see how it performs in a real world optimization test. Let's first check the Google app. Easily, very smooth. Let's check YouTube. And that is again smooth and faster. Let's check Chrome, which is again very quick, and the device is running yet very smoothly. Let's check Play Store. Again quick here. Let's check Maps. Let's go to Facebook. Here it is, easily smoother. Now TikTok. Very quick and smooth. Let's check Spotify. Again quick, but a bit laggy for now. Let's next up check Netflix. Again quick and smoother. Now Pinterest. Again it is quicker and easily smoother too. Let's check the final app, Discord, before we go to run the Geekbench 6 test. That is again quicker. Now let's run the Geekbench 6 test and let's see how it performs. And the town will also be brought into discussion. So here we are finally with the final results from benchmark results. So the Geekbench CPU results in single core score they are 822 and the multi-core score they are 2459, and it took literally 9 minutes and 19 seconds, and the battery dropped from 18% to 14%. It took 4% of battery, and in this version we have Exynos 990, not the Snapdragon version. So these are the benchmark results. Now let's move to the gaming section and let's run some games. Let's see how it performs. Was quite quick on the Candy Crush Saga. Let's run Hill Climb Racing. Again very quick and smooth too. Let's next up run Subway Surfers. Again very quick opening that, and it is also smoother, easily running that game. Let's check Mario Run. Just taking time. Let's check PUBG Mobile. Here we are with the game. At the start it looked a bit laggy. Here's the graphics. In smooth it runs extreme, while in balanced HD and HDR it runs ultra 40 FPS. In smooth it runs on 60 FPS. Let's play a game and let's see how it starts. How much time does it take on starting that game? That is the amount of time it is taking for loading the game. Video has not been anyway skipped or done anything to. It is very smooth. Let's check Asphalt 9. Now it is Asphalt Legends Unite. The name has changed. It runs Asphalt 9 Legends on 60 FPS. And here we are with the game. Let's see how much time does it take on playing the game. It is running on 60 frames per second. So here we are with the game. It's loaded it quicker. It is very smooth. It runs on 60 frames per second. And let's finally check the weather app. Here we are. Very smooth, brilliant display. And the Note 20 Ultra packs a large 4500 mAh battery and a fast charging system. But how does it handle the demanding tasks and gaming? We have checked that, and the battery test has also been run. It can still last a full day with a heavy use, the Note 20 Ultra. So is the Note 20 Ultra worth the investment with its impressive display, versatile cameras and improved display, and it is definitely a top contender in the flagship market? Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe for more tech content. Let me know if you have any modifications or have specific requests or questions regarding the video. Tell us in the comments.